Hi, I'm Janine, a product manager at Olympus. Today, I'm here to show you our CX23 upright microscope, which is optimized for your educational needs. The CX23 is a great educational microscope. Because of its simple, straightforward operation, it is easy enough to be used in secondary schools, but it's also a practical economic tool for medical and veterinary schools. This microscope is shipped ready to use, so all you need to do is unbox it, plug it in, turn it on, and start viewing your slides. The CX23 microscope offers bright field and dark field observation methods, along with excellent optical performance and long-lasting uniform LED illumination. It comes with the option of 3 or 4 specially designed plan achromat objectives that offer a flat image throughout the field of view. The CX23 microscope also offers a large field of view, enabling students to view more of their sample at one time. It can be easily equipped with a camera with wireless connectivity, such as our EP50 digital wireless LAN camera, so you can share what you are viewing quickly and easily with your classroom. Let me show you the microscope's key features. The CX23 microscope is durable and lightweight with a small footprint. It has ergonomic non-slip carrying grips, so students can easily transport it from its storage location to their bench. This model also has built-in safety features to protect the eyepieces, observation tube, objectives, and stage from damage during transport or during prolonged or repeated use. If you want to teach your students Koehler illumination adjustment, you have the option to adjust the condenser and diaphragm, or it also offers fixed Koehler illumination, making sure that all CX23 microscopes in your lab are properly aligned for Koehler illumination at the start of each lesson. I hope you enjoyed meeting the CX23 upright microscope. Visit us at olympus-lifescience.com for more information or to set up an in-person or virtual demo.